and welcome to our series of spoken English. We are discussing about work, questions about work and how to ask about work. In this lesson, we are going to learn about phrasal verbs used for jobs or work. Let us proceed to lesson 3 and then proceed to task 3. In this lesson, we are going to learn to use the phrase or the phrasal verb set up. Set up means to establish or to start one's own business. For example, he plans to set up his own business. A pointer. He has set himself as. Over here, it is not a phrasal verb. Please make a note of it. He has set himself as an interior designer is not a phrasal verb. Phrasal verb is when you have a verb and you have a preposition and the verb has lost its own original meaning. The preposition has lost its original meaning and together it is giving you a new meaning, that is to establish or to start one's own business setup. A phrasal verb may have a noun and pronoun after it, or it may have a noun or pronoun between it. Let us proceed and see one of our examples. If this sentence is used, set himself up, how can we reconstruct it and use it with a phrasal verb? He has set himself up as an interior designer. The meaning is that he has started a business. Okay, he plans to start his own business and then he has given himself the task or the job of an interior designer. Let us go and read the two sentences. He plans to set up his own business and then he has set himself up as an interior designer. I hope that you have understood the meaning of set up. Let us proceed to the next phrasal verb. The next phrasal verb is take up. Take up means to start a job. Example, he has resigned to take up a more lucrative job. Take up means to start a new job in this case. I have used a new word over here, lucrative. Let us find out what is the meaning of lucrative. Lucrative means a business or job that earns you a lot of money. So lucrative means a lot of money, something that earns you a lot of money. Let us see the phrasal verb take up with past tense, that is took up. He took up photography as his living. He took up photography as his living. I have used the word take up in the past tense, took up. And I have also pronounced this word photography and photography. Photography is UK English and photography is American English. He took up photography as his living. She took up teaching post. Now, I didn't use over here. She took up teaching post. Let us proceed. We've reached task 3. The situation is two friends are in a conversation and they are discussing about taking up a job and setting up a business. Engage in a dialogue using take up, took up and set up. Let us see the sample conversation that we have with us. The sample conversation is a conversation between Abhishek and Sonu. They are into a discussion regarding business setup. Let us read through the conversation and understand. I've heard that you have resigned from your job. Is it true? Now we are answering the question, is it true? Yes. And then we are giving additional information. Yes, I intend to take up another job shortly. Take up, that means begin with a new job. Why did you prefer a change? That means, why is that you wanted to change your job? I found a very lucrative job. That means he came across a very good job which will earn him a lot of money. The pay is very good. Over here, the pay means the salary. What are your plans for future? I have decided to set up a garments business. Set up means to start a garments business. Garments means ready-made clothes. Can you afford to set it up and manage it yourself? Set it up. Set up, in between you can have your pointer or noun pronoun. Can you afford to set it up and manage it yourself? Manage means to run the business yourself. I have plans of setting myself up. Setting myself up means appointing myself. Setting up, but in between myself is there. Setting myself up over here means appointing. I have plans of setting myself up as a designer, tailor, salesman, and a delivery man too. So, it's a one-man pervasive business. That's a great idea. One-man pervasive means one man is doing everything in that business. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get the notification of the next video that I upload in this series. Thank you.